In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Google Play Store data. If your Play Store is stuck on downloading, not loading properly, or showing odd errors, clearing its data is a safe and effective reset. This won't remove your installed apps or personal files. It simply refreshes the Play Store app itself so it can start clean. Begin on your Android phone by opening the Settings app. This is the gear-shaped icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Inside Settings, look for the section that manages your applications. On many devices, it's called Apps, and on some, it may appear as Apps and Notifications. Tap that to open your full app settings. If you don't immediately see a complete list, tap See All Apps to reveal everything installed on your device. Now scroll until you find Google Play Store. If the list is long, take your time. Apps are often arranged alphabetically, so Google Play Store will be near the G section. Tap Google Play Store to open its App Info page. On the App Info page, find and tap Storage and Cache. Some devices may label this simply as storage. Either is fine. Here you'll see options that control the app's stored data. To fully reset the Play Store, tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. The wording varies by device, but both do the same thing in this context. When the confirmation prompt appears, tap OK or Delete to confirm. This action removes the app's local data and cache, returning the Play Store to its default state as if it were just installed. A quick tip here, you do not need to press Clear Cache separately if you've already chosen Clear Data, because clearing data automatically wipes both app data and cache in one step. After clearing data, the Play Store will open like new the next time you launch it. You may be asked to sign in again and re-accept the terms and conditions. Don't worry, your installed apps, photos, and files remain on your device, and your purchases and subscriptions are tied to your account, not to this local data. Think of it as giving the storefront a fresh coat of paint without touching anything in your library. Once you're back in, try your downloads or updates again. A freshly reset Play Store often resolves stuck queues, missing updates, or persistent error messages. And that's it. Simple, safe, and effective. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, go ahead and reopen the Play Store now to continue where you left off.